What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a how-to video on how to replace your window regulator on a 06 COBALT SS. Same thing probably with a standard COBALT. Try to show you any tips and tricks that I have for it. Mine been going in and out and out, and you can hear it come on and off. So it's not going to be how to diagnose it, it's going to be how to replace it. So we're going to hop into the video and let's go. Alright, so first thing, we're going to use our pocket screwdriver. I'm using Matco. Pop that out. Put that to the side. Pop this. Two screws there. And a Phillips head there. So one Phillips and two Phillips, and then it'll come out. So nice to have a little magnet right there. And I'm just gonna skip to taking these bolts out. You can see, bolt out, both bolts out. This just kind of slides out. We're gonna disconnect these connectors right here. And this one right here, you squeeze. And then you're good. Now we'll just work this piece out right here. Alright, so it's nice and loose. So take a screwdriver, open it up a little bit. And then you start hearing them pop. And then I usually just take my hands all the way around. Another connector right here. Out. There we go. So we're going to just peel back this cover. Alright, so here is the part number 74381 window regulator for the passenger side. Alright, so what I like to do to try to keep the window up as I take all these 10s out for that hold the window regulator. Right there. One there, one there, one there, one there, and I believe one there. And that should be it. And of course the power connector right there. I like to put this in between the window. What I like to do is stick it halfway in and just give her a couple of pumps. Well, more than a couple, but. And then I'll put this back up top so it's out of my way, and of course I'll clean the window afterwards. Alright, at this point we will disconnect this connector. Usually what I do is I try to get in between underneath and pry up and then slide out. And then we'll start taking these 10s out. So you only have to loosen this one up because it'll slide out and come through this hole. Same thing with this one right here. Alright. This one down here, you gotta take completely out. Take this one out right here. And then loosen this one again. Alright, so your next step, now that you got your bolts, the ones at the bottom taken off, 2 at the bottom taken off completely, the 3 at top, you just kind of loosen it and then it slides out. As you can see, there's a bolt there, and a bolt right there. You're gonna have to take those out completely because that's what holds the. It's like a almost like a clamp that holds the window. We're gonna take those 2 pieces out, and then we have all the 2 at the bottom gone, and the 3 up top loose, and then we should be able to take it out after that. Alright. Like I said, you just lift up and then push it back. Try and get this other side as well. I don't know about you, it might be easier depending on your situation to just take those 10s out completely straight out, or loosen them up and then slide them out. There's 2 options, so, and after that you usually try to fish it through one way, and exactly how you fish it out is usually how you try to put it back. But let's see if I made the right decision on trying to get it out this way. Alright. So far, so good. So, came out just like that. We'll try to put it exactly how we had it and see if that works out for us. Alright, so try to stick it in the same way. We're taking it out, and then we'll figure it out. Way out first. Alright, so now we have it. So the only thing I can see that we're gonna have to slide these in here, and then as you can see, this little holder piece, we're gonna have to plug it back in, raise it up, make sure it holds, and then put the bolts in through here again, and the same thing on the other side, and then we should be good. Alright, so let's get it back. Slide in right there. The 1 bolt at the bottom. All I did was just plug this connector back in as well, and now we are going to turn the key to run as soon as I can find the keys, well, right here. So what you want to do, verify that you fixed it. Alright, so let's see if I can try to show you this. So as you're going up and down, you want to kind of like spread the clamps open and make sure it slides onto the actual window itself. So we're good here. That's there. I'm going to tighten her up, and then we'll start putting everything back together. Alright, so now we're just going to test it and verify that we fixed it. Well, I just got to clean her up, clean the edges up. So what I like to do is usually when I put the panel back on, have the window slightly down. Kind of sometimes helps you get it into where it needs to be seated. So we're going to first install the latch cable for the handle. There you go, just latches right on. Real easy. There. Make sure you have your connectors out. Easy access. So usually just fish them out first. First, also plug in your tweeter back in that you unplugged. Alright, everything's plugged back in. Well, everything, the door panel's in. Take your connector back out. Plug her in. Just slide her back on in. Alright, so now, put your screws back on in. Alright, so all your screws are back in. Now you just got to put your panels back on. That's one right there. There you go, that's it. So now we're just going to test it. There you go. You got to clean out the edges a little bit to make it smoother. But now, like I said, you know, easy to do. I've done a lot of them, so that's why it's easy to me. It might take you a little bit longer than it took me. But tell me what you thought down there below in the comments. Drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And if you want to see what I do daily, follow me on Instagram at 410 Autotech. So this is going to be 410 Autotech out.